next we talk about absolute value functions. This is what I mean. Y equal to this. This is an absolute value function. The graph will be look like this. Okay, the reason is you see that y equal to x supposed to be a straight line, right? But absolute value make everything negative flip up. That's why we have this graph. But you don't have to know it, just understand, just remember absolute value function look like this. Okay, I have more example here. Now, you know y equal to x absolute value function look like this. Y equal to x plus 3. By now, probably you have a pretty good idea what does it look like. It means vertically move up 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, how about this? What does it tell you? It's inside for the x. So apply to the x. So it's horizontally move right 1 unit. Correct? Now, if you have plus, apply to the x, it's move left 2 units. Okay? So this one will be y equal to x plus 2. See that? If you have a number outside, it's apply vertical movement. And if you have a number inside, apply horizontal movement. If it's a negative, move to the right. Positive, move to the left. Okay, let's see another example. So, what does it tell us? Move right 2 units and move down 3 units. Okay? So move right 2 units is here, move down 3 units is here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so your vertex will be 2 and negative 3. So your graph. So this is agree? Now, you learn these skills, it basically can apply to any graph, horizontal movement and vertical movement. I want to say a little bit about function notation. Sometimes they like to do this. They say fx equal to this. It means the same thing as y, okay? Just a function notation. Or they can say y equal to fx. Now, if you want to do this, they probably give you a gx, a new graph. Doesn't matter f or g, but it's a function notation. They say it's a new graph, which is the old graph plus 3, which is this. So the old graph plus 3, that means move up 3 units. Okay? Now, for this one, just do this one. They can say gx equal to f x minus 2 minus 3. So they will have a question in SAT math, like they give you the graph of fx, and then they have a whole bunch of graphs, and then ask you which one is gx. So right away you know your graph should be moved right 2 units and move down 3 units. Okay? If you understand this, we can get back to our original example at the beginning. Okay? Good. Okay, I have this example here is very similar to the one at the beginning of the lessons. Okay, now it say if the graph of y equal to fx shown above here, and which one of these graphs here represents g, where g is defined as g equal to f bracket x plus 3. Now, right away you need to identify what happened here. Now, can you remember what is f x plus 3 min. Now, because it's inside the bracket, so it's a horizontal movement. It's applied to the x. If it's plus, it's moved 3 units to the left. If it's right, it's moved right, right? Is there any vertical things here? Say, is there this? Because there's none there. So that means there's no vertical shift, okay? So right away, we can go eliminate this one because this vertical is shift, right? So we cross out this one. And then let's identify each one of them. This one is vertically, it was here, and it's moved down. So this is vertical shift as well. So we eliminate A as well. Now this one here, what happened? It's a horizontal shift from this point here moved to here. Okay, look like it moved 3 units, but it's moving right. If it's moving right, it will be like f x minus 3, correct? For this one here. So cannot be this one. Let's look at this. It's vertically moved down and moved over. So cannot be this one because we don't have vertical movement here. This one here seems to be right because moving left 3 units. This could be likely be 3. Okay? See that? Oops. Actually, this is 2. Because it was here before 1, so move 3 units is 1, 2, 3. Okay? See that? Okay. It's pretty easy, right? Good. Let's see next example. Okay. I have here another example, a very typical kind of SAT questions. Say if your y is defined like that by this graph here, excuse me, and your g is defined by that, which is this graph here, g, which of the following value could be a multiplied by b? So right away, you need to identify what kind of shiftment. So what is the value of A and B? It's not hard, it's pretty easy once you get it. You see that this move right, okay, say maybe about 2 units. We don't have to know exact value, you can figure out later. So A is positive, correct? And here, because they already have negative, so your A should be a positive value, correct? Because it's moving right. Now, your B, because this is going down, okay? Say it could be 3 units, roughly, okay? So your B have to be a negative value. Right away, you go through the list, pick the negative value, because A times B should be positive, multiplied by negative. So this could be the 1, okay? To be exact, you can check carefully. So if this is 1 unit, so make this 2 units here, probably. Right? 2. And then this one here could be 3, negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 gives you negative 6. That's how you identify. Okay? So if you see the graph of shifting, first you need to apply your knowledge of horizontal move and vertical move. Okay? Good. Thank you.